Hello friends, polyjacking is a concrete lifting and leveling method that uses high density geotechnical expanding foam to raise and stabilize concrete surfaces. A similar process with the same objective is the process of mud jacking, which uses mud instead of foam to lift the concrete surface to the desired level. In this video, we will discuss the major features and benefits of polyjacking in repairing the concrete slabs. Features and applications of polyjacking in construction. Polyjacking is also called as polyurethane concrete lifting or polylift. In this process, holes are drilled over the settled concrete slab and high-density polyurethane foam is injected into the holes to fill the voids and cracks. Once injected, the polyurethane foam expands to 7 feet under each drilled hole. This expansion facilitates the raising of concrete slab while stabilizing the structure. The foam used for polyjacking process does not break down over time, unlike the mud or slurry used in the mud jacking process. Polyjacking can be used for sidewalks, driveways, walkways, garage and basement floors, repair of office floors, sports arenas, warehouses, etc. The holes drilled for polyjacking process are smaller compared to other concrete repair methods. The polyurethane foam material used for the process is lightweight compared to mud jacking slurry. Hence, it does not exert pressure on the underlying soil. The process involves drilling fewer holes to inject the foam material. Now let us discuss benefits of polyjacking in construction. Polyjacking prevents the replacement of concrete surfaces, which is a costly process. Hence, polyjacking is cost effective. The curing process is faster and the surface can be used within a few hours. The process maintains the compressive strength and structural integrity of the concrete surface. It seals joints and cracks and prevents future undulations. Polyurethane is an environment-friendly material composed of 39 to 49% renewable and recycled materials. There is no concrete or grout splatter during the process, creating a clean working environment. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.